This is your signature code. This is the HTML file of your signature code. Open it to the Chrome browser, then select all, and then copy all. Command C for copy all. Now go to email, compose new email, paste here, send it to your iPhone. Just send your iPhone. Now come to your iPhone. After sending the email to your iPhone, select all. After select all, then copy and then go to your signature, click signature setting, then go to mail, find the mail here in the setting section. You need to follow the step carefully, then your signature will appear correctly. Here you select your signature option, all account or per account. Now paste your signature here. Then most importantly, shake your phone after pasting your signature here. Shake your phone one or twice, then you'll see appear a undo option. Then click undo. See, I shake my phone, then say undo. You need to click on undo. See your signature appear correctly here. Then go to your mail, compose a mail to see the signature. Compose mail. See, signature is appear here correctly. Everything is correct. You just need to follow the step carefully. Hope you can do it right now. Thank you.